guys, welcome to Dani's Duo.
Welcome. Kriti, no.
So, is this pillow?
No. No. So first,
Hey guys,
hi.
welcome to the unusual duo.
Welcome.
मैं दरानी हूँ, ये जेठानी है.
मैं जेठानी हूँ, ये दरानी है.
And in today's video, we're going to show you some gift ideas which you can gift to a mom to be.
And a newborn.
Yes, let's begin.
Yes. With the first thing.
Yeah. So let's begin with the first one. The first one is the products of the Mom Scope. You will find the products on Nykaa, Amazon. We'll also be posting it in the description box. The first one is the natural stretch oil, which is very beneficial for a mom to be. And the second one is the natural nipple butter.
Yeah. So that's all you can do, and they are really useful as well.
Yeah.
I have already used it, and she's
And
using
I
it
am
now.
using it.
Yes. So let's move to the next one. The next one is a pregnancy record book, which you can easily get on Amazon. Though it is not a pregnancy record book, but I'll be getting it soon for her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she hasn't given me yet.
I will give her soon. This is a record book for my baby. So you can get all these on Amazon.
Yes, link will be in the description box.
Yeah. So let's move to the third thing, which is really important, and I'll be gifting this as well. So this is
I
a-
am getting so many gifts, you know.
Yes, she's gonna
And
get
she's
so
disclosing
many.
all the gifts here.
Yeah. So this is a hospital bag which I'll be gifting her soon again.
Yes. We'll also be making a video on this, that what all I'm packing or she's helping me out with the same.
What all you can put in the hospital bag,
Hospital
we'll
bag.
be making a video on that as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
This is a
a
beautiful blue, and guys, there is no indicator, you know.
yeah. This is we do not know
We
the gender
don't
yet.
know the gender
Basically,
yet.
it's Prithiv's bag, so we used it for the video.
Yes. Let's come.
So you can give the essentials, like you can get the bibs. I got this pack of 5 from First Cry, and they're really beautiful bibs. I'm loving it. You can give them a box of hankies, which is really important for the babies, and you can give the pair of socks. Yes.
So, some baby wrapper sheets or the sheets which are very essential for a newborn baby.
Yes, swaddle sheets.
Swaddle sheets, though I didn't know the name.
Yeah, swaddle sheets. You can just wrap the baby in that. So this is really important for a newborn.
What else you can give to a mom to be are these toys. Yes.
Which I got
Toy.
from my sister-in-law the entire pregnancy. I got one soft toy every month. All of
Yes.
these
You can
toys
decorate
are
your room. You can
from her.
make it more
Cute.
cute.
Yeah. More like a kid's room. So the next thing you can gift is a piggy bank.
The next thing you can give to a mom to be or a newborn, any, is the piggy bank. The piggy bank is very important because see,
पैसा
you will be
जोड़ना
getting-
बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes, and very important is that you will be getting many, you know, in Indian society we get those sagan.
Yeah.
So you can keep it for the baby, and
And you can use it later on because baby you can steal the money.
yeah.
Okay. So the next
This is
thing
a very cute one.
This
You'll
is-
also get the link in the description.
and you can get it easily on Amazon. And the next thing is the essentials. You can give the baby wipes, pack of diapers. ये ऐसा गिफ्ट है जो हर कोई यूज करेगा ही करेगा. So this is something which they gonna use on daily. Got me this storage box. This is in a shape of a vase. So you can get this.
And Prithika started playing with the storage box as he keeps on taking out something and then keeping it back.
This is what he does the entire day. Okay. One more thing you can gift to a newborn are these roll-ons. These Mama's roll-ons, they are really important and very helpful. So you get anti-mosquito roll-on, you get that after bite roll-on,
Yes.
then you get
And
that.
they've got really good fragrance, you know. Like I have always
She always liked the fragrance of
Yeah.
these. And you get that tummy roll-on from the this Mamaearth. There's again a roll-on which we use around the navel to.
So she has got many, I think. Mama's Earth, the same bottle. She
I
has
have
got many.
six bottles already. Plus, you can gift few things from this Mothercare. I personally love Mothercare and I love all the products from Mothercare. They are really really nice. They got really good fragrance and nice textures as well. She doesn't know much about it now. But
Yeah,
she,
I don't know much about it, but
maybe
I have
soon
some
she'll be
idea.
posting a new video with her own things.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
else?
buy the new ones. You can also gift this Nazaria to a mom to be.
Or for a baby as well.
Yeah.
चलो ऐसे दिखा देते हैं ना. So this is an evil eye Nazaria.
You can also gift a newborn the projector.
Yes, you can give the projector to the newborn. You can just, keep it.
Basically, it's a time pass for the baby.
Yeah, it's a time pass for the baby. The baby can see like this the entire day and the entire night too.
Guys, we hope that you love the video.
Yes, thank you so much for watching our video and
Yes.
showing all the love you guys do.
Yes, hope you got some beautiful idea out of these.
Yes, we tried our best.
We tried our best.
We'll see you in the next video. We will try our best to entertain you guys. And
Yo.
thank you for the love.
Please do like and
And subscribe our channel. Bye.
Bye.